most accurate local forecast starts now with meteorologist Brett Thackeray.
Fighting to say something. I just have one quick correction that I have to make, because earlier I was talking about the Mega Millions jackpot and that I said the drawing was tonight. The drawing is actually tomorrow night.
Yeah, it's Friday.
So you have
Get it
more
right.
time to
Yeah.
get the ticket.
Anybody that plays that knows that, but thank you for the correction. I was going to say, too, download the weather app as well, because tonight you may need that. I don't like the timing of these storms.
Okay.
Many of us are going to be asleep. If there is severe weather or even a tornado, that's not good timing, right? So we just want everybody to be aware of it now. Just stay on alert. If you start to hear the rain and the thunder and the lightning tonight, get the app. And of course, that'll keep you posted. But things could get a little dicey here. Now, I don't expect it to be, Armageddon. I'm not saying that. But James, we want to let people know that tonight is going to be the worst of it. Now, you can see some wet streets here in Hummelstown as we take a look at the downtown area. We're going to put a time lapse of it for you here. Notice the sun coming up, and now watch the cumulus clouds just boil up with the heating of the day. You could see that here at this noontime hour, and they're going to be boiling up a few storms. Not today, but tonight. Visible satellite showing you these popcorn cumulus clouds across the region after the fog burned off. Now we can see the cumulus clouds kind of taking over. Temperatures are in the 80s at this hour and will likely continue to warm close to 90 today, but likely just shy of it. Dew points in the 60s, some 70s. It's sticky, it's tropical, and that again is going to help to fire up some of these storms. It's hazy at the Elizabethtown Public Library looking out on Market Street in E-Town. Also in Kinzers, another part of Lancaster County, showing you these clouds. The sun is bleeding through, and that is helping to destabilize things already. But you need a trigger, you need something to get these storms going, and that trigger is this front, extending from really Sault Ste. Marie all the way down into Detroit. Some storms now across Missouri and Illinois, but we are not seeing much. It doesn't look that impressive yet. Give it time, though. I think these storms will start to fire up late tonight in Ohio and then start to head our way overnight. An evening swim is still doable here. Again, this is all overnight. So 5 p.m., 88 degrees, mainly sunny. Head on out to the pool. Partly cloudy this evening as well. 85 degrees at 7 p.m. Still warm. A good evening to be by the pool because it's going to be so humid. High pressure in control, keeping us dry for now. But the storms arrive tonight with some heavy rain being the primary threat, but that's not the only threat. The Storm Prediction Center does highlight our area now for some damaging winds, some hail. We're in a slight risk, and even a few weak tornadoes. The main brunt of these storms probably going to hit Ohio and western Pennsylvania, but our area does have the potential to see a few severe weather. There is a tornado risk tonight as well for isolated brief spin-ups, and that's something we have to watch closely too during that overnight period, really from 11 p.m. to 5 a.m. Notice it stays dry this evening, but watch. Here comes this line. It's a potent line, and it's going to be coming through again from 11 to about 5. Here's 3 a.m. And you can see that line marching its way eastward by 5. And then tomorrow we clear out. I think a nice day tomorrow. It will turn less humid as the day wears on, and that's going to set the stage here for a glorious weekend. Mainly sunny on Saturday, low humidity. Outdoor plans look good. So how much rain tonight? Beneficial rain. About a ½ inch, maybe up to an inch in spots. Remember, though, it's quick moving storms, but gusty winds and that heavy rain may wake some of us up. It's also going to be a little bit gusty tonight. Winds at times between 10 and 20 miles an hour, and breezy tomorrow behind that front. So the extended outlook is showing you this. Dew points do fall. It's going to be humid here through early tomorrow, and then we get less humid by the weekend. The humidity does go back up here by next week. So today, 88 degrees, hazy sun and humid. The storms come in tonight, and some of them could be severe overnight. So keep that in mind. It wouldn't surprise me if we get a few severe thunderstorm warnings from this. Less humid then for the weekend, James. It looks good. Still good pool weather, though. Temperatures right where they should be this time of year. And then next week, Wednesday could begin a heat wave for us with 3 straight days or more in the 90s.
But definitely, just keep your eye on the radar, keep your eye on the app, especially tonight.
Especially tonight. Just be aware, and Dan will be in tonight tracking it all.
Sounds good. Thank you very much. Up